Hi Sagittarius! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Sagittarius. You can also check and watch your moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Okay? Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius. Okay. Love affair. Beware, love affairs at work rarely end well. Don't lose your mind, okay? Love affairs at work. Be aware of that. Beware. Okay. Guardian angel. Some higher power protects you from difficulties and misfortunes. Trust your guardian angel. So, meron kayong protection from your guardian angel. Okay? Kung ano man yung mga difficulties or nahihirapan kayo sa inyong ginagawa, merong nag-guide at nagpoprotekta sa inyo. Ingat sa mga love affair at work. Okay? Lalo na if you are in a committed relationship. Closed doors, no good job opportunities. The current job is coming to an end. Start all over again. So for some of you, merong endings sa work, pero magbibigay yan ng daan for something new, something good, okay, than your previous job or work. Okay? Do not worry. May bagong opportunities na darating sa inyo, Sagittarius. Let's see what are the messages from the tarot for Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, please. Energies and messages for Sagittarius. Okay. Successful time for you. Meron kayong pinagkakaabalahan about kaperahan, Sagittarius. Okay. You are successful or master kayo sa inyong ginagawa sa line of work ninyo, okay? Maybe you are a consultant, okay? You have a lot of experience in your work, well experienced, okay? May mga negative thoughts kayo, okay? Fears on doing something. Parang feeling mo nasa sitwasyon ka na parang wala kang magagawa. Okay? Your hands are tied. Yeah. Trust the divine. Trust your intuition. Okay? Bago kayo gumawa ng something, before you act, think things thoroughly and carefully, okay? Before you do something. Use your intuition. Merong secrets. Okay? Merong pagpaplano na mangyayari. Okay? Merong discussion or meeting, maybe sa work ninyo, sa management, okay? May plans for you. And this is something that is yet to be revealed. Yeah. Happy times. Good times with your family, okay? You will feel good about this. Yeah. You will be emotionally satisfied. Okay? Whatever this is, maybe this is a promotion na hindi mo pa alam, merong planning, or maybe this is planning about a vacation. Okay? So, parang wala pang nakakalam nito, parang ikaw pa lang nagpaplano ka, nag-iisip na. Okay? Okay. Justice. Do what you think is right. Merong fairness na mangyayari, okay, sa inyong sitwasyon. Justice will favor you. Make a wish. For some of you, merong healing na nangyayari. You've been through a lot. You've been patient sa inyong situation. Merong good news na mangyayari, okay? Yeah. Big money will come. A wish come true. Sagittarius. New contracts, new dealings. Okay, may na-close kayo na deals. Yeah, this is a bagong opportunity para sa inyo. Siguro trabaho. Okay. May regalo kayong matatanggap. Reward. Incentive. Komisyon, malaking komisyon or incentive, okay? Napapakinggan ang inyong hiling. Stop worrying, okay? Huwag kayong masyadong mag-isip or mag-alala. Yes, siguro nag-iisip kayo about sa mga pinaplano ninyo, okay? May wino-worry kayo. Iniisip nyo na sana maging successful ito. But be confident, okay? Believe in yourself. Trust the process, okay? Follow your intuition. Everything will be okay, Sagittarius, okay? Madami kayong iniisip, madami kayong inaalala. When it comes to money, when it comes to work, sa mga business dealings ninyo, okay? You're hoping na maging okay and successful ang lahat, na magkaroon ng magandang resulta ang inyong tinatrabaho. Merong celebration, get together na mangyayari, okay? Merong meet up, may pag-uusapan, good news, okay? Siguro sa yung iba sa inyo, merong promotion. Okay? Justice ay papanig sa inyo. Kung nasa court hearings kayo or involved kayo sa mga court or sa mga legal. Okay? So, yung pabor ay nasa inyo. Justice will favor you, Sagittarius, and it calls for a celebration, okay? Matutuwa kayo. For some of you, merong someone na nalulungkot, may namimiss, okay? Someone is missing you. Yeah. Okay. You need to be logical in everything that you do. Maging matalino sa inyong mga desisyon. Sagittarius, okay? Be smart, be wise. Okay? Yeah, fortune will favor you. Fortune is on your side. Merong pagbabago na mangyayari. Okay? Yes. Okay? You will feel good about yourself, about sa achievement na mangyayari sa inyo. Okay? things will move forward. Kung merong disappointment na mangyayari, okay, kung merong disappointment, merong merong regrets dyan, merong disappointment sa mga desisyon na ginawa, you need to be strategic so that things will move forward. Okay, you will have to do a planning. Okay, strategic planning ang kailangan para umusad ang inyong ginagawa. Okay, you will be happy with the result. You will feel good. You will be proud of yourself. Kailangan mo rin alagaan ang inyong sarili. Take care of yourself. Nurture yourself. Okay, someone also, for some of you, someone is missing you. Merong regrets. Okay? Okay. Magkakaroon din ng katapusan ang inyong paghihirap, yung mga difficulties and challenges na nangyayari sa inyo. Merong backstabbing, but you will be able to overcome it. You need to stand up. Okay, change is coming. Okay, merong clarity and enlightenment na mangyayari sa inyong situation. Okay, magkakaroon ng solusyon. Okay, yeah, you've been working too hard, Sagittarius. Parang pagod ka na, but you keep on believing sa mga mangyayari. Hindi ka nawawala ng pag-asa. You are moving forward. Okay. Abundance is coming and prosperity. You will be able to make long-term plans. Be patient, okay? Yeah. Surprise. Merong change na or pagbabago na mangyayari. Unexpected change, okay? Yeah. You are guided, okay? By your guardian angels. You are guided spiritually. Okay? Be patient. We are just, or you are just waiting for the perfect time. Okay? The perfect time will come for you. Sagis. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages for you. For Sagittarius, please. More message for Sagittarius. We have Rooster. An arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Okay? Maybe you will be meeting a person mayabang, arrogant. Okay? Be aware of that. Forest, muddled, unclear thinking. Okay? You have to clear your thoughts para makapag-isip kayo, makagawa kayo ng aksyon, makapag-desisyon kayo ng mabuti, Sagittarius. Lobster, financial pinch. Okay. Oops. Okay. Sagittarius. June. Maybe the month of June is memorable for you. Importante sa iyo yung buwan ng June. Okay? Some good things happened in June. Okay? Parrot. Someone will gossip about all your secrets. Be careful. Okay? Ingat sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan ninyo. Okay? Kung may mga important kayo na information, keep it to yourself. Crack cap. Dissatisfaction with life. Okay? Merong dissatisfaction for some of you sa inyong life. Okay? Or sa inyong situation. But believe, trust the process, Sagittarius. Be patient. Okay? So, yun lang ang mga messages for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!